Hello, dear my team friends and families. How are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. This is liotech. So in this short video, I'm gonna show you how we can use two applications in the same screen. So starting from here, we will start from the recent button and we press the recent button icon. So we will choose one of the app you like to open. So I'll press the YouTube icon here and I'll choose open in split screen view. So as you can see from here, our screen is split into two. So as you can see from the bottom screen, there are certain application appear in my screen. So I will choose one of the application you want to open. So I will choose the Telegram. So as you can see from here, the Telegram icon is the Telegram message appear here, and at the same time our YouTube channel is appear from here. So as you can see from here, we can use two applications in the same screen at the same time by using split screen view. So hope you like the videos. Please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share to your friends and families. Please subscribe. Have a good day and night.